classic cars. Today we're going to look at a 1966 Mustang. If you're in the market for a 1966 Mustang, this is the one for you. This Mustang here has got a 302 V8. It's equipped automatic transmission. It's got a set of headers, 4-barrel carburetor. It does not have power steering or power brakes. The car just recently got back from our paint shop, and it has a slick paint job. Nice black paint job. It's got a brand new set of Ford Mustang 500 wheels, a set of BF Goodrich TA radials, which are brand new as well. This car right here is also has a pony interior inside. Everything works on this vehicle as it should. Very, very nice Mustang. Let's take a look at the trunk. I have got a trunk mat order for this vehicle. Also, if you noticed up front, it didn't have any wiper arms or steering wheel sort of cracked. I got new wiper arms as well as steering wheel order for this vehicle. We're up at the passenger side door as well. Like I said, it's got brand new interior, brand new carpet, brand new dash pad. In other words, I guess what I'm trying to say, everything in the interior is new. Start it up for you and let you hear it run.